Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to do a full face makeup using Thai products. So I went to Thailand last year and I bought some of their makeup products, and today I am going to do a makeup using their products. So keep on watching. First, I am going to use this Miles Nail Bright Primer. It has SPF 15. Looks like this. You are going to squeeze them out. This is actually a trial size. I bought them because I want to give it a try. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm going to apply them on my face like this. It's so white. Oh, it has a tone up effect. And then I will move on with these four products. This is actually not a Thai product. I forgot to buy. No, I did not buy. It's not that I forgot. I purposely not buy their foundation and contour, concealer, and cream blush because I still have a lot at home, and I will do this off camera and I'll be right back. Before I finish my base makeup, I would like to blend the foundation using this. This is actually a blending sponge that I bought from Thailand. I think I bought them at the Strawberry Club and everything was like 100 baht. So I was like, okay, ambil, beli. Like that. So let's blend using this. It is quite tough. It's not soft. I don't like this. It does not feel soft. So I am done with my base makeup. Glowing but tall. Anyway, I am going to do my brows. This is the Brow With by Nong Chat Setting Eyebrow Mascara before I set my face with a powder. Kita baru first time coba. I never tried this before. I hope it works because the brand is so famous for the eyebrow products. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the one looks like. Actually, I already have my own eyebrow shape, so I don't normally draw my brows. I prefer using eyebrow mascara because I already have a full brow. Like this. I love how it makes my brows look soft because I don't like a black eyebrow, because black eyebrow makes me look like I mad at all times, like macam aku ni selalu marah. Moving on, we are going to use this Srichan translucent powder to set my makeup. Take the puff here. I used this before and I love it. I mean, it's a lot. Do it like this. And then lightly set your face with them, especially your under eyes, because that is where everything always cracks, always crease. So focus on that main part. And then the other part of the face, using this brush, dust off everything. This is how it looks like. It mattifies my face. Actually, I have been using them a lot and it has become one of my favorite setting powder because it makes my makeup or my face look so flawless. Look at them. Moving on, we are going to use this Groovy mini palette from Tuki in Peachy Peach. For transition shade, I'm going to take this. Put them all over your eyelid like this. It's gonna look cute. This makeup are going to look cute. Down here as well. And then this shade right here. I will put them here. Just lightly. Oh my god, look at that. That's so cute. Did you see that? It looks so seamless and soft. Actually, the pigmentation is not bad. I love it. Do the outer corner here. And then we're going to take this using our finger. Ooh, this feels so soft. With our finger, we're going to put them here. Look at that. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm going to do my here, my eyes, and like, oh, bling blingy too. So well. Okay, this is cute. I love the glitter. Moving on, we are going to use this. This is the something like a glitter, gold glitter. Yeah, it looks like a gold glitter. I'm going to put them down here. Oh. Okay. Oh man, I like this. I like this eye makeup. Look. This eye palette is perfect for those who want a really soft, subtle look, and perfect for you. How do we call this? Traveling on the go. Wherever you travel, you can bring this along with you to achieve this kind of cute eye makeup. I mean, like, look at that. Moving on, we are going to use this. This is the Party Time from Savannah Colors. It's the colorful party pearl eyeliner. So I am going to line my eyes using this. I don't know, there were no testers, and I hope that this is going to be good for me. So this is how it looks like. It's the Savannah Colors brand. Look at that. Colorful Party Pearl Eyeliner. I'm going to swatch them for you at the back here. Oh. It's actually coffee kind of color. Yeah, it is coffee. I forgot. I bought the shade name in number 3, coffee. We are going to eyeline here. Just right here. It will make my eyes look larger than usual. See that? Did you see the difference? The one that I put on and the one that I have in. So I'm going to do the same here. Next, we're going to use this. This is the merrez'ca Super Black Long Lasting Eyeliner. I really love their packaging because their packaging looks so exclusive. It does not look like cheap. I have seen a lot of Malaysian brand or local brand that is so questionable sometimes, their packaging. Macam childish. But this one, they look exclusive and it looks so good. It makes me want to buy them. Maybe because the market is different. This is how the swatch looks like. See that? Looks like a black eyeliner. Yeah, it looks black. Dah namanya black still. Okay, so I am going to do my eyeliner now. Next, we are going to use this Oddball mascara. It's the Go Waterproof Mascara in black. I already put on eyelashes off camera, so I will just apply this. Oh, the one is so small. Look at that. Small. Cheer. Okay, let's try them. The one is so small and it's easy for me to do my lower lashes with this. I kind of like it. Look at that. Did you see that? My lower lashes. Comel do. Nampak tak? Blusher. I'm going to use this blush. This is the 2P original of my blush in peach. Cute tak? I suka ni sebab this is like my favorite blush at the moment. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. And they also come with this shimmer. So you can highlight your face using this. Look at that. Blush your cheek. I usually do the top of my cheek around here. Or my eyes here and then here. Because that way it's going to make my face look elongated because I have a round face. I really love how this looks like. It reminds me of my favorite Clinique Peach Pop blusher. Look at that. So comel siya. Tapi ilong sikit, sini sikit. Next, we are going to highlight our face using this. This is the Nicara Donut Highlighting Powder in number N336. Comel tak? Tak, bukan NT36, sorry. Number 3, Sunny. This is the shade. I bought this because it looks so cute, and actually during the time I tried this on, the tester was broken and it got all over my pants. So I was like, the hell is this, so hard to remove? And I was like, oh, if it's hard to remove, then it's cute. It's good. Look at that. Comel siya. And then this is actually like this. Did you hear that? I love this kind of packaging. Comel. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit and swatch them here for you. Jadi tak pandai nak swatch ni. Nampak tak? Still so subtle. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nampak tak? Wow. So blinding. Look at that. Okay, Nicara, you're good. You might be my second favorite after Browy. Damn, so pretty. My nose, right here as well, and then obviously here and here. Okay, this is almost the end of the video. I am going to try this. This is the merrez'ca water blurring lip tint in number 1 Coral. It looks so cute. Okay, let's try this on. Open this. I'll just swatch them here. Okay, it's a lip tint. So let's put this on. Where's my... Never mind. Let's put this. And then up here. Using my finger, I'm going to blend them. Okay, I like this. It feels lightweight. And last is this. This is the Baby Bright Sweet Cafe Shiny Tint in number 9 Brown Sugar. I bought this because the viral, a lot of people love this, and I was like, okay, I'm going to give it a try and buy them. Actually, I bought 2, tapi dalam video ni I will just use this one. This is in shade number 9. I really love the packaging. One of the reasons why I am sold was the packaging. Pretty interesting. This is how the one look like. Interesting. So I'm going to swatch them here. I thought it was a dark brown color, but turns out it's a brown orange. Some brown orange. Okay, let's put them on. Here. Using my finger, you're going to blend them. Oh, comel lah. Dia bling bling, guys. It looks glossy, but it's actually a tint. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoy watching, and actually I really love all of their makeups. There's no hates in it except for the blending sponge. Earlier it was so dense. It's not even soft even after you damp them. Macam patut juga lah dia harga 100 baht because it's pretty cheap. I mean, I know a lot of pretty cheap blending sponge, but they're so soft. But I don't know why this time around that one is like very dense, and it's not easy for me to blend my foundation using that. So that's the only thing that I don't like. All of them, I love it. I love it. If you want to know what's my favorite, I think I will say that this powder is my favorite. And also the lip tint, it looks so good. I don't really like the eyeliner from Savannah color, this one. This is not really my favorite because it was dark. I wish I get a lighter shade. This one will be great for a daily eyeliner because it's in coffee shade. It's not very dark. It has a slight shimmer because dia memang jenis yang shimmer gitu. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy watching my video and see you again on my next one. Bye bye.
Can't seem to get involved. I'll leave without